Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how to revamp your old curly wigs. So if this sounds fun to you, or maybe you think you might need this video now or in the nearest future, then you might decide to watch. It's going to be very short, no time wasting, and yes, kindly enjoy. And if you want to subscribe to, please do well, subscribe and like and share and comment and do all the crazy, do all the fun stuff. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Okay, so let's pimp this wig. So first of all, what you're going to need is you're going to need some water to bring the wig back to life. The wig is so dry, so you're going to need some water to kind of bring it back to life and make the curls kind of, resurrect, because it looks so dead. That is what you're doing. Make sure that you saturate the whole wig with water, because you can see how water is actually making the wig come to life, as compared to when we started. So more water, more life. And then you want to run your fingers through. You can run your fingers through, or you can use a brush, or you can use a wide tooth comb, any of these things, and you're good to go. Just to just to make sure that the water is evenly distributed. So then after that, I'm going to use my conditioner. Now I've used this conditioner on this channel several times, and it's the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1, and I'm going to leave all the products that I use in the description box, so please check that out, so that if you want to use any of the products that I use, you can just go there and then you find everything. So what I'm also doing is that I'm also using my fingers. As I said earlier, you can use a brush or a comb or anything like that, anything you have that is that kind of run through the hair. So after that, I'm going to use water again to kind of mix everything together. Now there's an alternative way where you can mix your water and your conditioner in a spray bottle, and then you spray it on the hair. So it's like you have something like 2-in-1, and then you spray everything on your hair. That is when you are in a rush on the go. It's quite efficient. So that is another way. You can do it like this, or you can do the water and the conditioner in the spray bottle. So I'm just brushing the hair to spread the concoction that we did. And that is basically that. And after that, what you want to do is that you want to lay your baby hair or your edges or anything, and you're good to go. That is it, guys. So I'll see you very soon in my next video, which is going to be very soon. So happy new year.